Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brick Builder rod. To begin, you must locate a specific non-player character named Brickford Masterson. This special rod is essential for participating in a unique in-game event, allowing you to catch exclusive fish. Fortunately, acquiring it is straightforward and does not require any in-game currency. You will receive it immediately upon starting the associated questline. To find Brickford Masterson, navigate your way to Moosewood Island, which is situated in the First Sea. Once there, keep an eye out for a massive Lego ship. He will be standing prominently on it. If you need precise guidance, his approximate coordinates are 410, 132, 366. Using your in-game GPS can help you pinpoint his exact location quickly and efficiently. Once you have successfully located Brickford Masterson, simply interact with him to begin a conversation. Through this dialogue, he will officially start the special event questline for you. As a direct result of this interaction, you will immediately be granted the brick-built rod. Additionally, you will receive some valuable stud bait, preparing you to embark on your new fishing adventure right away. The brick-built rod possesses unique capabilities, making it the only tool you can use to catch the special Lego-themed fish within the event's designated pools. It comes with impressive stats, including 80% luck and a maximum capacity of 200 kilograms. This rod is absolutely vital for completing the event's unique bestiary and reeling in rare catches like the Stoodleodon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.